which camera is better for you. Kia ora, I'm Kyle, or Bear Kiwi, and I want to give you my in-depth review of the GoPro Hero 11 Black versus the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. GoPro have just recently launched both of these, and so I've just been out shooting and comparing and trying to figure out the best use case scenario of both cameras versus each other. So, thought I should really test out the actionness of this action cam. In Rotorua, you gotta go rafting on the mighty Kaituna. So I've linked up with a couple of paddlers here. We still got Jamie from mountain biking, and then this is River.
I don't think I can speak on camera, eh?
Absolute local legend. Let me put a mini on her head. How was it, River?
Pretty good. I love it.
Dude, how was that?
So fun. You enjoy it?
Love it, man. Love it.
And it's so nice, like so light, so good on your head. This, I didn't even notice it was so nice. Go do some jumps. Put some on it.
I've got a real treat for you now, team. This is the one and only Jackson.
Yo, yo, yo.
Jackson is a FPV pilot extraordinaire. And what we're going to do is, well, he's going to show me Rotorua through his goggles.
Yeah, let's go. This is so sick.
I've got the Hero Black Mini and we've got the Hero 11. So we're just going to play around with both cameras, see how he feels about them.
I usually use the full-size GoPros just because I like to have access to the screen and all the settings just on the camera. But if I'm doing like kind of flips and tricks and stuff, I'll usually have a smaller camera like, well, previously it was the Session 5, and this is kind of like same shape, same robustness, I imagine. So it's real good for that, in my opinion. There's this much of a gap, too easy. Watch your fingers and your toes.
No!
So good.
Oh my god! Bro!
We're making magic, man.
This is incredible. I am hanging out with New Zealand's #1 mountain biking coach, the one, the only, Jamie Garrett from New Zealand Mountain Biking, everyone.
How's it going? He is cameraing me up. GoPro 11 Mini down here on my fork. Which one do you want?
Good kill. Good kill.
At chest, I would pick the Mini. Or up top, I would go the Mini. You can hardly even notice it. I'd say this one is the most versatile, the Hero 11 Black. These little guys, epic for, I don't know, like your more athletic type who are just trying to film a real fast run and have the camera as like inconspicuous as possible. That's why I love this one. But when I'm actually mucking around with the camera, screen up at the back so I can show people that I've been following how sick it is so they do some more trails with me.
So let's have a look. The size difference is the big thing. If we compare both cameras, weight-wise, they are very similar. This has a built-in enduro battery. This comes with an enduro battery. I can take photos on this camera, and I can't take photos on that camera. But in the palm of your hand, obviously, very different in shape. So what I've really learned is this is the adventure camera and this is your all-round GoPro camera. If I was to say have one camera and one camera only, I'm probably going to go for the Hero 11 Black. Purely because I want to be able to take photos as well as video, and I like being able to line up the shot. However, if I was just a mountain biker, surfer, snowboarder, skydiver, I might go for something like this. The perfect action camera. Video only, mounting it into tiny little spots, and it can really take a beating. I don't know. I hope that helps. Oh, I forgot to say that thing that they all do on those YouTube channels. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a comment below, guys. If you want to find out about any of the gear that I use and shoot with, check that link down below. How's that? Did that work?
That was sick.